In this video, I'll show you the angle grinder stand that I got. I'll leave a link at the description below where you can also get it. I needed some kind of stand for cutting metal and cutting other things with my angle grinder, and I thought of building one, and then I saw this one. Let's see what's inside. So we have here kind of a plastic cover. We have here a handle, some different bolts and spacers. This is the spring and the system that holds the angle grinder in a base. And also a Chinesium instruction manual. So let me get this built and let's see how it works. Okay, so I have my Makita angle grinder all bolted down. I used the bubble leveler right on the disc, and I got it as straight as possible. The best way to do this is every time play with the bottom bolt, release the top one, move the bottom bolt every time a little bit forward, and then lock the top one until you get it level. And I also made sure that the distance between the front and the back is the same distance, because you can have it twisted like this and you can have it twisted like this, and I try to make it in the middle of this groove as much as possible. When bolting down this thing, be careful not to bolt it too hard. I was trying to lock it down really good, and I heard some crackling sound. The bolt is still holding, but this is probably cast iron, not from the strong stuff, because it's not that heavy, or either aluminium cast. You can see it's quite in the middle, and that's it. Everything else is pretty much folded down, and now I can start working on this. Oh, by the way, there is also this plastic thing to hold the cable so it won't flap around, so that's also nice. Well, I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and click the thumb button. It always helps. Thank you for watching.